This looks like my...
Scared me.
That looks like the thing at my school. Guys, I'm not kidding.
At your school.
This looks like my cafeteria. Dude, what metal thing is wet? Too wide. That's what she said.
Too loud.
To tell you the truth, people.
Hey.
Ew, it's all wet. That's what she said.
Bill pot sink.
What is that guy on? LPED.
KP.
LPED.
Elfed.
LPED. Find me on YouTube.
Hey, guess what?
I want the film. I
I'm
want
gonna
the
kick you in
film.
the balls. I want them to see this. See your pain.
Why?
Making action video.
Can I put my cup on first?
We're doing in the kitchen.
You ready?
People in the balls.
What?
Ready? 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 Ready?
No.
Ready?
I'm not kicking nobody in the balls.
You can't wait. We have fans, you know. Well, we will.
They want to see us do this?
Wait, I didn't know. I didn't have my cup on. What? What's the matter with you? You don't have balls. Why are you doing that?
He kicked me in the boobie.
Hey, I get two. It said ours are in a stack, so that's a bonus. So
Does that make me more vulnerable?
I hope YouTube doesn't flag this.
What?
That's what she said. Sexy. She kicked me in the balls.
Ow, no, don't go in here. Boogie, 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 boogie. Ah, I think
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
It's this long. Wait. Okay, all you people watch. It's this long. I like that.